Hello and welcome. I'm Debbie Penzone, President and CEO of Penzone Salons and Spas. First, we hope you all are safe, healthy, and ready for some serious self-care. Second, our team is hard at work creating safety and health protocols to keep everyone safe. And today, we're going to show you a peek inside to know what to expect during your first visit. And finally, we just want to say thank you from the bottom of our heart for all of your support, love, and everything that you've shown us and our team members throughout this journey. Okay, come on in.